You've probably noticed how Americans say get to all the time. Here's the tricky part. Get to doesn't just mean one thing. It means many things. Today I'm going to show you what they are so you can really understand them. Number one, arrive somewhere. Imagine this. You're taking the bus to work. There's traffic. You're running late and you keep checking the time. When you finally walk into your workplace and you run into your coworker, she asks, "What time did you get to work?" Here, get to simply means arrive at. You can use it with any place. Get to school, get to the doctor's office, get to the store. Here are a couple of examples. I got to the restaurant at 7:30. So I'm using the past tense of get there. What time do you usually get to the gym? This is the most literal meaning. Number two, have the opportunity, a chance, and it's positive. Picture this. You've just moved to the United States. You're busy, you're tired, you're learning a new language, but one weekend you finally have time to explore. Your friend invites you out and says, "You'll get to see the city." Here, get to means you have the chance. You are lucky to do something. It's something good, something you're happy about, like this. For example, I finally got to try real Mexican tacos. Now, I'm using the past tense there, got. At my new job, I get to leave early on Fridays.
Number three, start or begin to do something. And this one's used a lot in workplaces. Imagine you're at work, you've had your coffee, you've checked your messages, said hello to your coworkers, and then your boss walks in and says, "Okay, everyone, let's get to work." Here, get to means start. It's like saying, let's begin working. Often in a meeting, everybody says hello, you chit chat, and then someone says, time to get to work. Let's get to work. Let's start this task. I need to get to my emails, or I need to get to my phone calls. I need to get started. Now, number four is a little bit different. It means something is bothering you emotionally. Imagine this. You're learning English and someone makes a small joke about your accent. You try to laugh it off, but later when you're alone, it hurts a little. You tell a friend, "Yeah, it really got to me." Here, get to means something affected you emotionally. It annoyed you, upset you, or made you feel bad. For example, try not to let stress get to you. "Oh, the noise from the neighbors is getting to me." Yeah, when we're feeling sensitive about things, things can get to us a little easier. So we have to be aware of that. Get to someone. Okay, this means to touch or move someone emotionally. This one sounds similar to the previous one, but has a very different feeling. So imagine you're watching a video of a soldier coming home and surprising his family. Everyone is crying. You feel something deep in your chest. And you might say, "Wow, that really got to me. That scene really got to me." Something touched your heart in a good emotional way, right? Her kindness really got to me. So there's a pronoun there, me. Her kindness really got to me. That story got to everyone. It means it moved you. Number six, get to, is have permission. So here's a meaning parents use all the time. Imagine your kids are asking, "Can we stay up late tonight?" And you smile and you say, "Okay, you get to stay up until 10. Here, get to means you're allowed to do something. You'll hear this with rules or responsibilities. When you turn 18, you get to vote. Employees get to choose their benefits. It means there is permission or a right to do something. Whew. All right. Number 7, the last one, means to reach a point in a process. Now, imagine you're watching a cooking show, let's say, and they're making a cake. So the chef is giving instructions step by step, and you're thinking, when do we get to the icing? And the chef finally says, okay, now we get to the best part, adding the icing. Now here, get to means reaching a specific moment in the story or a process or a task. So it's about progress. Okay, so let's quick review with simple examples. Arrive, I got to work late. Opportunity, I get to travel for my job. Start, let's get to work. Annoy, upset you. Don't let it get to you. Touch you emotionally. The movie really got to me. Permission, the kids get to open one gift early and to reach a point. We'll get to that part soon. Or we've gotten to the ending of this video. And that's the magic of get to. It's small, but it can express so many feelings: excitement, permission, stress, emotion, progress, and more. I hope this video has given you a little bit more of an idea of how to use the phrasal verb get to in the present tense and past tense, got to, and you have a little bit more of an idea of all the ways that we use it, so you understand next time you hear it. Okay? Thanks for listening. See you next time. Bye for now.